about eating chicken, you're most likely visualizing juicy chicken breasts, thighs, legs, and wings. Well, this week's recipe, I will be preparing spicy fried gizzards. I would love to tell you more about gizzards and give you step-by-step procedure on how I make this delicious meal. Welcome to Risha Simone's Recipe Tweaks, and I'm happy that you're here. Hey guys, so I needed some buttermilk to soak my gizzards in. However, I didn't have any, so I decided to do a homemade version for buttermilk. All we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon or a tablespoon of vinegar to 1 cup milk of your choice. Once the vinegar or lemon juice is added to the milk, you will notice it starts to curdle. Leave this for 5 minutes and watch the magic happen. Guys, we eat the liver, the heart, the gizzard, the feet, the head of some animals. Do you think that we are overdoing it, or we're just versatile people? I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Please let me know what you think. Okay, so for those who are not sure what chicken gizzards are, for one, it is definitely edible and delicious. It is a muscle found in the stomach of the bird, and it's used to grind the food when the bird eats. Looking at this diagram, the lemon colored shape right there is where the gizzards are located, guys. So if you're interested in getting gizzards, they're located in any local supermarket. Alright, so my gizzards are soaked and ready. I made my own breading from flour, baking powder, smoked paprika, and crushed pepper. Yeah, you don't always have to buy everything. You can simply integrate some ingredients together and make your own stuff. You see what I mean? Yes. I have 2 cups of gizzards right here. And it is said that 1 cup of gizzard meat can satisfy up to 88% of your daily recommended value of protein. This meat is very low in fat. If you're a meat eater, of course, you could consider adding it to your diet. Yeah, getting all that breading on and preparing it for frying. Okay guys, this is another trick. I only cook with olive oil. Olive oil is very expensive, so I decided to do shallow pot frying instead of deep pot frying. And I can guarantee you that these gizzards will come out crispy and delicious. So you don't have to fill your pot with oil to get the same results. Alright? So they're all laid up in there, and I'll just leave them for say 3 minutes to each side, and then I'll turn another 3 minutes and I'll take them out. Hip hip hooray! My gizzards are ready. I'm serving them up with some carrots and celery, and I have 2 dips, mustard and ketchup. Can't wait to dive in. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'd be notified when I post new videos, and share the love. See you next week. Peace. Ciao. Bye-bye.